don't know, dude. This is a pretty steep hill. You gonna do it?
You go first.
Me first? All right, fine.
Oh, jeez.
Whoa! Whoa! Oh my God! It's like my favorite place in the whole world. What a cool view. What are you doing?
Wait a second, that'll start spraying.
Oh yeah? Every single time we come up here, I forget to bring my tripod, which isn't a huge problem, but kind of stinks. I'd like to have it. So we're up in the mountains for the weekend, which is great because back home it is a rainy, cold nightmare. It was supposed to be really cold up here, but it's actually beautiful today. So I don't even know what's going on. I wanted to film a video and I wanted to do it from the roof because I love sitting up here and just like hanging out by myself, especially when the house is full of people. It's pretty nice. Gotta go to the store in a little bit. I'm gonna try and take the kids with me, but I think the kids are now at a point where they don't want to hang out with me anymore. They don't want to like do stuff. So I'm pretty sure neither of them will want to go, which is okay. Alone time is great. I'm just gonna sit up here and drink coffee for a little bit, because that's wonderful. Oh, that's beautiful. Cool painting.
I also drew that over there.
This one?
Yeah.
That's awesome. I dig it.
It's not done.
Nice job.
Thank you.
I knew.
Smell the burn. They're done. Then you're not eating.
Boop.
Coco.
Boop. 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 Dogs do not like being booped in the face or in the nose. Do they?
No.
Are you guys leaving?
Yeah, we're just leaving.
Oh, we just came to play with you.
Oh,
Okay.
we've been here.
Come on, Mommy.
At the Navy SEALs training camp.
Hey, Miss Adrian,
It's crazy. Whoa! Whoa! Oh my god! That was insane! You guys want to have a roll down the hill contest? You went crooked ways. Oh, ready? Tree!
You did not make that look fun for me.
Oh,
Yeah, that looked painful.
holy cow!
Was that painful?
That was really fun. You gotta roll down the hill now.
All right, I'll roll down.
I hate this.
Go for the tree!
Look out!
That was an experience.
It hurts.
Maybe since
3,
I
2,
was
1, go!
If you haven't rolled down a hill recently, you should. It's fun.
Oh, jeez.
All right, I think lunch is ready, so we can go back home.
Let me sit in there, baby.
Oh, that thing's destroyed already.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, give me that. Want it? Ooh, here it is. Ready? Scared her. Oh, you're a lunatic. We're gonna have s'mores. Very excited. Rah!